Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. To which of these struggles did Gandhiji associate himself during 1916 to 18? Whether it is Champaran struggle or Kheda struggle or Rowlatt Satyagraha or it is both 1 and 2. So we need to find the right answer among these given four options. So here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about the background of this answer. So let's get into it. Mahatma Gandhi was associated with both Khera struggle and Champaran struggle. The Khera Satyagraha of 1918 Satyagraha of 1918 in the Khera district of Gujarat, India during the period of the British Raj and was the second Satyagraha movement inspired by Mohandas Gandhi and a major revolt in the Indian independence movement. It was the second Satyagraha movement after Champaran Satyagraha. Okay. Gandhiji organized this movement to support peasants of Khera district. Gandhiji organized this movement to support peasants of Khera district. The peasants of Khera could not be able to pay high taxes of British. The peasants of Khera could not be able to pay high taxes of British due to crop failure and plague epidemic. Due to crop failure and plague epidemic. Okay, therefore the option 4 must be the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.